ít thôi anh ạ, nhiều quá thì không ăn được nhiều đâu. Smell, flavor. This one much better, good for wine, good for beer. Beer. Deep fry, barbecue. This is a cinnamon pork. Cinnamon pork. Today I show you how to making summer roll, fresh spring roll. Gỏi cuốn. I use the steamed pork with banana nib. Like this. Steamed pork with banana nib. I use this one for the summer roll, for the fresh spring roll. You don't have this one at home, you can instead buy ham.
Okay.
Don't worry. But this one better than ham, more flavor. Right? Chị cho em 20.000 giò lúa. Không đẩy lên cho em ạ. Similar basin. Right? Chun cake. Chun cake. This is a sticky rice cake. We inside. But inside here very fresh same day. Very fresh same day. I will not use one for the cooking. Right? So many. Cái đấy là cái đầm ấy chị. Cái đầm bún. B-U-N bún. I use this one for the barbecue pork for the bún chả. Right? For the bún chả. Sometimes we use this one for the summer roll. Fresh spring roll.
Okay.
For the fresh spring roll we use it. You don't have fresh noodle at home, you can instead buy dry noodle. But fresh noodle much better. All the lady here, she come from Village noodle. Roast, we whip off all the water out. I have two people coming. This one a little bit flavor. Sometimes we deep fry already to make it crispy. Right? Sometimes. A lot of money inside here. You can see me. So much. Cho 2 quả nữa đó. Đó là khế. Not fresh. We have fresh bamboo but not here, outside.
Outside.
Cái này người ta làm salad mới làm sốt thôi. Hoặc làm súp đấy, làm súp cũng được. Very small, very spicy, right? Big chili, not too spicy. Ginger, very color inside here. A lot of color. Một ít rượu hoặc là gừng để mình luộc cùng với xương bò thì nó thơm hơn đấy, không bị hôi đấy. Easy, right? Anh này đun thua cái thịt lâu chưa? When you barbecue or charcoal, you can thin slice like julienne. Cut like julienne. Cut spring onion, big chunky. Meat pork. We chop green onion smaller. Smaller. Like yin yang yang. Một cái thôi. Yin yang yang. You know yin yang yang? You like the belly. Pork slice, it means the moon. Meat pork we make like bone burger, it means the sun. Moon and sun together we go yin and yang, right? Okay. Shallots. Pepper. Fish sauce. I want to making color and flavor in the pork. We pour a little bit caramel sauce. You know caramel sauce? We making caramel sauce. Sugar and water. Shallot. I use the pan, no oil, no water. We put sugar in the pan. Sirloin, we cook already 2 hours in the
Oh.
stock. We take all the sirloin out, right? See, color. Only sugar inside that, right? But not just more long time, more brown. Color, golden brown. See, already? I have water inside here. Be careful when you cook at home. This one very hot, right? Maybe stick your skin, easy to burn. Không biết sao thích của anh về. Sorry. Caramelized sauce.